10 Insurance Cold Calling Scripts by AI and Tips, AnyBiz. Learn how to write the best insurance cold calling scripts with AI and automate it with AnyBiz. Tips from experts to make more insurance cold calling sales easily. Insurance cold calling is tough, from targeting the right audience to navigating compliance. Agents face call aversion, product complexity, trust building, and sensitive topics in brief conversations. Effective cold calling scripts are vital for insurance agents. Start strong, highlight value, foster conversation, address objections, close effectively, and ensure compliance. Tailor scripts to various insurance types, emphasizing specific benefits for each. Here are 10 ways AI can enhance cold calling for insurance agents. 1. Personalize your approach using AI to boost engagement. 2. Use predictive analytics to tailor conversations and improve connections. 3. Prepare for objections with AI-driven simulations. 4. Stay informed with AI-driven educational tools to boost credibility. 5. Refine techniques with AI-powered speech analytics. 6. Implement dynamic scripting for real-time adjustments during calls. 7. Use sentiment analysis to interpret prospect emotions and respond empathetically. 8. Schedule follow-ups automatically for increased response rates. 9. Refine lead qualification with AI grading and ranking. 10. Close deals confidently with AI-driven coaching for real-time tips. Cold calling success rates in insurance hover around 1% to 3%. Contact rates typically range from 10% to 15%, while optimal call times are Tuesday to Thursday, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m. AI and data analytics can enhance targeting, maximizing success. In insurance purchasing, consumers seek personalized communication, transparency, and a consultative approach. Acknowledging digital research habits and optimizing follow-up strategies with AI can enhance effectiveness and engagement without resorting to aggressive sales tactics. AI transforms insurance cold calling with personalized interactions, optimized scheduling, and real-time insights, improving efficiency and increasing conversions. AnyBiz transforms insurance lead generation with AI-driven multi-channel engagement. Personalized communication, continuous operation, and smart decision-making optimize outreach. Automated multi-channel outreach, seamless CRM integration, and key functions like AI sales agents make AnyBiz indispensable for insurance lead generation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.